degree mark there, Allison.
It is just beautiful out here. People are just wearing thin jackets, maybe some gloves. It's going to cool down to 50 tonight, but just gorgeous right now. We are still hanging out in that moderate air quality range. So today we had a high of 67 degrees, so almost 10 degrees above average, and those temperatures are just going to continue to climb for us into your week and into your weekend because of a strong high pressure system that we have, giving us dry conditions as well as those Santa Ana winds heading into Bakersfield and Los Angeles. So today here in Kern County, we did have a fire weather warning, and that will continue for us until Friday at 4 p.m. Los Angeles and Ventura County are also looking at that fire weather warning until Friday at 8 p.m. and then a high wind warning is in effect until 4 p.m. tomorrow in LA. And so in Kern County, we're looking at wind speeds still gusting up to 30 miles per hour into Hatch P20 in Fraser Park. But as we move into your Friday morning and into the afternoon, those wind speeds are slowly getting down to those single digits. But we are looking at some breezy conditions for the mountains on Saturday and into Sunday. So our air quality is staying in that moderate range, an AQI of 74, and there's no burning unless you do have a registered device. But if you are planning on coming out to the Christmas parade tonight, it is so much fun. It's going to be cooling down to 50 degrees by the time it ends, so make sure to just have a light jacket on hand. And as we look into your full forecast, we're seeing those high 60s, even 70 in Bakersfield on Sunday, and those sunny skies continue, as well as in Kern River Valley. They'll be up to 70 on Sunday, as well as into later next week to Hatch P61 as a high, and then back to those mid 60s for your weekend. In Fraser Park, looking at those breezy conditions on Saturday and Sunday. But we're having so much fun at the parade tonight, and make sure to catch us and bring a thin jacket. It's just going to be beautiful out here. Back to you, Jackie.